Hello everybody, this is Judy from Ningbo MH Company. Here I'd like to introduce MH bag clothing thread for you. We have 100% polyester and 100% cotton bag clothing thread. It has high resistance to abrasion, corrosion, and acid. Mostly used for packing bag seam sewing for woven bag, paper bag, sacks, etc. Content yarn could be chosen based on customer need, from 9S to 30S to its 3 to 9 ply. It can be packed as 200 gram to 9 kilograms without knots. Suitable for hand sewing bag machine, industrial sewing bag machine, thus improving sewing efficiency. Product features: high resistance to abrasion, excellent seam strength and appearance, chemical resistance, without knot, high productivity, economical. If you like this video, give me a thumb up so I can share with you more MH products. You can also contact us by this way. Call us